What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs at Zab's Project, and today we're going to show you how to remove a wing mirror off an Audi A3 8P. This is the non-electric wing mirror. Remove the door card, and to remove the door card you have a T25 bolt over here, 25 bolt in the here, and T25 bolt underneath the door card over here. Once that's removed, the door card should come off. Once you remove the door card, you got this cable that hooks over here, and you got this cable over here. Push the pin, put the tab down, and that should remove, and the door card's free to come off. Once that's removed, you can remove the cable off the wing mirror from this side here, which is already removed, and it feeds in through here all the way top over here. Once that's done, you get a T30, bolt's already loose. Remove this one bolt, and once the bolt is removed, the wing mirror should come off. Just slide it out, pull it up, and as you can see, there's your cable and there's your wing mirror. There you guys, that's how you remove a wing mirror from an Audi A3 8P. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next one.